Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, welcome to Dress Up Play-Doh, and today we are going to be making a pretty bride. All you need to make this is white Play-Doh, a different color for the base of your doll, a rolling pin, and a knife. First, we're going to start by making the base so the doll can stand up all by herself. Next, we are going to roll out the white Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle to use as the bottom half of the doll's dress. Once you are done cutting out the rectangle, put it around your doll's waist so it flows down nice and evenly. Next, we are going to be making the top half of the bride's dress. We are just going to roll out the white Play-Doh and cut it into a smaller rectangle. I like to add detail to the dress, so we are just going to make it a V-neck. After cutting out the top half, wrap it around the doll, similar to what we did with the skirt. I like to add just a little bit of detail to the dress, so we are going to make a bow to put on the doll's waist. I like to cut out V shapes to make the bow look more precise. Sometimes you have to use your hands to shape it better. Wow, that looks very cute. Now we are just going to roll out a piece of white Play-Doh to use as the bottom lace. The wedding dress is best kept simple, so that's why we are just using a thin layer of Play-Doh. Lastly, we obviously have to make the veil. So for that, I am going to start by making our bride a crown. When making the veil, make sure to roll it out so it is very thin, almost like you can see through it. Now we are just going to cut out the Play-Doh to make it seem more like a veil shape. Lastly, we are just going to place the two together and on top of her head. It looks like she's ready for her big day. Ta-da! Come back next time to see what I'm making on Dress Up Play-Doh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.